Hello traders, welcome to my channel, Sam Trading Strategies. Today, I've got an exciting and super simple trading strategy for you. We're combining the RSI indicator, Bollinger Bands, and engulfing candlestick patterns to create a powerful setup for pocket option trading. Make sure to watch until the very end, as I'll explain the Bollinger Band and RSI settings that make this strategy so effective. Don't skip ahead. You might miss an important detail that could affect your results. Before we begin, remember, trading binary options involves significant financial risk, and you can lose money. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always trade responsibly, never risk money you can't afford to lose, and do your own research before making any decisions. Trading rules for this strategy. This strategy is super simple to follow. For a sell trade, wait for the price to touch the upper Bollinger Band line. Check if the RSI indicator touches the 70 level. Look for a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern on the chart. If all these conditions are met, enter a 5-minute sell trade on the next candle. For a buy trade, wait for the price to touch the lower Bollinger Band line. Check if the RSI indicator touches the 30 level. Look for a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern on the chart. If these conditions are met, enter a 5-minute buy trade on the next candle. Here are some extra tips to make this strategy even more effective. Use a 1-minute time frame for the candlesticks. Avoid trading against a strong trend. This strategy works in both real markets and OTC markets. For the best results in real markets, trade during the European and New York sessions. Avoid trading 30 minutes before and 45 minutes after any high or medium impact news events. Now, let's see this strategy in action with live examples. Watch closely as I walk you through step by step how to identify the setups and execute the trades. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time to learn and apply this strategy. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future strategies. All right, traders, let's get started and learn how to master this strategy together. All right, traders, here's a great example of the strategy in action. Take a look. The price has just touched the upper Bollinger Band, the RSI indicator has hit the 70 level, and most importantly, we see a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. This setup checks all the boxes for a perfect sell trade. Now's the time to enter a 5-minute sell trade. Before you try this strategy on a real account, remember, it's super important to practice on a demo account first. This helps you build confidence in identifying the right setups. Understand how the strategy works in real time. Only move to a real account once you feel fully prepared and comfortable with the strategy. Now, let's wait and see how this trade unfolds. Watching and learning from live examples like this is the best way to improve your trading skills. We've won this trade. This is the power of combining the RSI, Bollinger Bands, and engulfing candlestick patterns into a simple yet effective strategy. By patiently following the rules and waiting for the perfect setup, we've achieved a successful outcome. All right, traders, here's another exciting setup to look at. The price has reversed after touching the upper Bollinger Band and has now moved all the way down to touch the lower Bollinger Band. At the same time, the RSI indicator has dropped from the 70 level and is now at the 30 level. But here's the key part. We now see a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, which is exactly what we're looking for in this strategy. This means the setup is perfect for a buy trade. So, we're going to enter a 5-minute buy trade based on this confirmation. Now, let's wait and see how this trade plays out. Remember, every trade is a learning opportunity, so pay attention to how the price behaves here. Also, make sure to watch this video till the end, because I'll be sharing the exact settings for both the RSI and Bollinger Bands indicators to make this strategy as effective as possible. You don't want to miss it. Great news, traders! We've won this trade. Now, as promised, let's go over the settings for both indicators used in this strategy so you can set them up correctly and start practicing. Bollinger Bands. Settings. Set the period to 12 and adjust the deviation to 2. These settings help identify the upper and lower bands accurately for spotting potential reversals. RSI indicator settings. Set the period to 9. This helps fine-tune the RSI to detect overbought and oversold levels effectively, and that's all you need to set up this strategy. Before you jump into real trading, make sure to practice on a demo account. Practicing will help you build confidence in spotting the setups. Understand how the indicators and patterns work together. Only switch to real trading once you feel completely comfortable with the strategy. That's it for today, traders. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your fellow traders to help them learn too. Your support helps this channel grow, and I'll keep bringing you more valuable trading content. Good luck on your trading journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, and happy trading!